progress has been made in various fields, more particularly about development of indigenous antibody test kits and also indigenous RT-PCR kits. We have been doing an exemplary job. Our laboratories and scientists in ICMR, they have ramped up their testing capacity to huge numbers, and right now if we have an indigenous kit, whether it is an antibody test kit or a RT-PCR kit, is going to deliver rich dividends to the cause of COVID mitigation. Simultaneously, I know that biotechnology is supporting a number of companies and is supporting research for vaccine development. We have come quite ahead in that direction also. You are also working on monoclonal antibodies, and also I know that some thousand genome sequencing activities on 1,000 viruses is also started in biotechnology, although similar activities are also happening in CSIR. So jointly all our scientists in the Science and Technology Ministry and in CSIR, biotechnology, DST, together they are going to contribute in a big way to help us and back the efforts of our doctors and our coronavirus working in the field to ensure that we can fight the battle against COVID successfully. We have been amongst the first few countries who responded to the news of a new coronavirus in China on 7th of January. For almost 3.5 months we have been fighting this battle from the front, with our Prime Minister blessing us and also monitoring activities on various fronts at I would say almost daily. And right now we are in a position where we have been able to very exactly pinpoint the places where we have the disease, and all our efforts are right now with differential strategies for containment of the disease in those areas where we have the virus disturbing the people of India. As you all know, that steadily we are making significant progress, and when I talk to you today, 80 districts in India have not reported a fresh case since the last 7 days. 47 districts have not reported a case for the last 14 days. 39 districts have not reported a case for the last 21 days. And 17 districts have not reported a case for the last 28 days. Similarly, you know that when we assess the progress of the disease, how is it growing in the country,